Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Do appreciate you as always. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and content. So in this video here, we're going to show you how to list on Facebook Marketplace. Let's go. Okay guys, so you want to list on Facebook Marketplace, but you're not sure how to do it. I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial, really simple. First off, you have to have a Facebook account, and I think most people do. It seems to be that way. So really simple. Just go to your home page. So you basically, and this is on a desktop. I'm just to give you an example. So desktop here, you have the icons on top. This is your home button here on your left. So you click on the home button here, and you'll see some groups on the side here. And then you'll see a marketplace. Okay, so marketplace basically is where you sell your items. So you can sell your items on eBay. You can sell your items on Craigslist, but also Facebook has a marketplace, and it's really growing quite quickly. So this is just a tutorial how to list on it. So once you click on marketplace, and I just show you that again. So you just click on marketplace. That's step one. Okay, so that's really easy. So you'll see your account because automatically they give you a Facebook Marketplace account because you're a Facebook member. So all you have to do is just go to your account on your left hand side of your tab, and then again, this is on a desktop, and you see create new listing. This is all you have to do. So click on create new listing. So this has changed and this has evolved. I have an older video. This is just an updated video. This is 2021, just to let you know. And then you have some different options here. So you have now they do job openings, rent, for sale homes, vehicles for sale. So they're growing their platform. My belief is they're going to go towards really an online auction, online selling marketplace, compete with Amazon, compete with eBay, and the rest of the world of online marketing. So this is simple. Another tool right now, it's still free. So you can list for free and just try to sell it, and you don't have to pay fees. There's no expenses. I usually meet people at a local place that's like a plaza or a very lit place. You can do shipping now, so you can add shipping to this. And we won't get into the shipping, we're just doing a basic listing. So click on item for sale. Okay, so it brings up an area here like this, preview your listing over here, you can see that, but over here on the left is really where you want to do your listing. So the first thing you have to do is add photos. So wherever your photos are, and take good photos, and if you're not sure how to take photos, take a look at some of my tutorials on eBay tutorials, and I'll give you some ideas on photos. Real simple, use your smartphone, nothing crazy. Give them an idea, give them accurate and real photos. Don't steal someone's photos and do that. So I have some photos here that I have of a product, and let's upload those photos. So I highlighted all four of those like you saw, and now they're uploading them right to Facebook Marketplace. And this is just a DeWalt charger I picked up. So here's some photos. You can just see nothing fancy, right? So 1, 2, 3 photos right here, and here's an example. And then you wanted a title description. So basically, I already had it saved in my thing, but this is basically a DeWalt battery charger with a Nikon battery. A NiCad battery. So you can just see, give accurate description, okay, and just give a fair price. And you can use eBay a little bit, but go a little less, because again, there's no fees, there's no shipping, there's no aggravation when you're selling locally. So that's really easy. And we're located here in Middleton, so you can see here. So it gives you your location, and you can actually adjust that if you want. And then you give a price. Let's just say $50. That's $5,000. No, 50. And then category. So now this is a new thing they're adding now. So you have to put a category in. So they're getting a little bit more specific. You can see now they're doing categories similar to eBay, right? So let's just say, what kind of category is this? Well, this is really a battery charger, right? So let's see if they have a battery charger, which I don't think they do, but let's just type in battery. Let's see what it gives us. So household battery chargers, household battery chargers, household battery tester. So I'm just going to go to household battery chargers. Condition is used, and you just have to be very specific again. And let's just say it's in good condition, and brand is DeWalt. Okay, and size we'll just say is medium. Okay, and then item description, same thing again. So I just copied the listing from before. This is pasted. So basically that is it. So photos first, then the title, then your price. Figure out the category, which is, I think, is pretty easy to do. It's pretty easy. Actually, have a power tool category. You can even switch it right there, so you can even do power tools. So you can even change the categories. So it does give you some suggestions. Let's change the brand again. Take it out. It's DeWalt and condition, and that's it. So now, once that's all finished up here, you hit next. Okay. So now it basically takes you to your location. You can change your location. So if you live in a different area, if you live in Middleton, Ohio, whatever. So the kind of what this does, it just gives Facebook, people are searching certain geographic areas, or they're searching 10 miles from their home, so they can really pinpoint where they want to look. So that's really just how that works. So, be specific with your area and just say, I live in this area, I live in that area. Just, it should go automatically, but just in case it doesn't, make sure that's correct. So here's your listing. Here's the information up here in this area. All you have to do is hit publish. Okay. And bam, that's it. It is listed, and here it is right here. Here's your DeWalt NiCad battery charger in the marketplace. You can take a look at it. Here's your listing right here. Real simple. You'll get messages, you'll get notifications on your phone. If someone has any questions, you meet them. It's real super simple. And I've sold tons and tons of things, and you can make thousands of dollars in cash on the side if you want to just like a side hustle and sell your items. And that's it. Okay, guys, I hope you found this tutorial informative. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below in the comment box. I will reach out to you and get back to everybody who has any comments. And if you found this informative, please give me a like. Hit that like button, smash that like button for me. That really helps me out quite a bit. I do appreciate that as well. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, guys, so that's it for me, and I'll see you at the next review.